got a story to tell, you know that I cherish these. Hope it ain't too many feelings involved.
I see niggas in this bitch stuntin', poppin' bottles, getting drunk with these bitches, and when they leave, they get followed. Fall asleep with that bitch and really don't know much about her. Then she let us in, we take all of your shit, and when you wake up, she help you try to find it. I love her. I be with bitches, that be with bitches, that be with niggas with riches. I tell her get him, she say I got you. I say no bitch, I say get him. And they so pretty, and they hair lengthy. He hit it and sleep on her titties. And she give us the word, we come through with AKs just to stick up. She scream like a victim, like you. Feeling so silly, I smoke color purple. I'm up in here feeling like silly. Ooh, nappy ass dress, what's that you say? Watch your mouth, Milli Vanilli. Ooh, you can get snaked, you can get faked out by the bitch that you feeling. Cause you thought she was an angel, that bitch ain't no angel. I treat her halo like a frisbee, and you tell her your business, she tell me your business. You tell that bitch what you feeling. All of the beans you be spilling to you, she like through her T cavities feeling. She know where you had it, tell me where it's hidden. She know when you gone, tell me when to visit. We breaking your home and take the specifics. And meanwhile the bitch is on vacation with him, so she don't get blamed. We don't snatch names, we find out addresses, and we don't leave messes. You'll only know that it's gone when you check it. Then your first thought is to start second guessing. She say what's wrong, he say nothing, keep resting. She say what's missing, how you know something missing. He scratched his head, she say get back in bed. And she gave him some head, boy you can't trust them bitches. Then she say ooh, I see niggas in this bitch stuntin', poppin' bottles, getting drunk with these bitches, and when they leave, they get followed. I be with bitches that know the bitches, that's what the niggas we following. Get them on the line, stay 2 cars behind, and tell them hoes don't be so obvious. Mona Lisa, long hair don't care, she handle the business and don't ever tell. She bite the bullet and cough up the shell. She tell him, ooh daddy, let's go to your place. And if he say yeah, then we meet him there. She feed him lies with his silverware. She don't want love, she just wanna share. I know a bitch named Liz. This nigga think she is, cause she tell him that it is. So he tell her all his secrets, he tell her all his fears. And then she tell me, and I be all ears. Then I go and tell my people, and they already knowin'. And then I call Liz, and she say he coming over. I said, good girl, just remember what I told you. She gave me the salute, I said, girl, you're a soldier. We waiting outside, watch her pull up, walk up to the door, and right before he knocked, she opened the door naked, she left it unlocked. They started French kissing so he didn't see moi. Then she let him in, they stopped on the couch, music up loud with his head in the clouds. Turn his shit down and I scared to piss at him. Piss a nigga off, put the gun to his frown. Nigga turn around, I ain't here to fuck around, I ain't here to fuck around. Caught you with your pants down, you know what it is, put your fucking hands up. Liz, that's enough, you can put your hands down. Then he looked dead at her and he shook his head at her. She a good actress and you a dead actor. You be dead after we get what we after. If Liz call you daddy, she about to be a bastard. Oh, I got way too many bitches that do anything for me, nigga. But thank for me, nigga. Send her to you like she ain't for me, nigga. I hope you alone like bankruptcy, nigga. She pour you a drink, that drink on me, nigga. She slip something in and I bank for me, nigga. Mona Lisa, I done painted the picture. Mona Lisa out the frame on these niggas. Pussy got you out of character, nigga. You fall for these hoes up your ladder, my nigga. Take everything that you have to, you don't even have an opinion. We have your attention and now you looking on the barrel, though, nigga. Now she looking for her pantyhose, nigga. We just looking for the casserole, nigga. But she gon' show us where you stash it, though, nigga. Mona.
Every day she wake up with a different color makeup and a promise he could take her to the movie in the mall. Chillin' with the liquor on the floor, 4th quarter for a minute on the clock. Black mama with the ball. Paparazzi looking at them both, popping up and take a picture. Probably on the internet blog. In a minute he gon' be admitting that he love her on his mother. Man, he wanna meet her mother by tomorrow.
Mona Lisa.
Pussy good enough, it got him sitting in the walls. And he digging in it like he living in it, making a religion with him. And a nigga about to go against God.
Poetry in a bad tree, sweet tone like a hummingbird. When she asked him, did he wanna make love in a yellow taxi? Never gave 2 fuck, jumped in the backseat. Woke up in the morning to the Great Gatsby. Then he dogged it again like the bitch Lassie. I'm a dog in the wind, I'm a pit laughing. I'ma call up again like I did last week. Make good with a friend in the morning.